So I'm just gonna play, watching my eyes go away, watching my eyes go away, watching my eyes go away.
Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, YouTube family. Guys, we are here with another one, once again, for 2023. And we are coming back with a banana wine. Like I said, guys, this is another one that's kind of become a classic on the YouTube channel. You can find plenty of recipes and a lot of them are pretty similar. The sugar might vary as far as the kind of sugar you use. The amounts might vary for how much sugar you use for each thing. And with this one, guys, you could mix it up. You can wind up using honey. You can use Pentecello or Muscovado sugars. You can use maple syrup for sweetening and all kind of things. So I'm not going to bore you guys along with this. This is going to be a quick and easy one. We're going to peel our bananas and cut them up all up in this video, and we're going to boil them to help extract some of that banana flavor. So that's what I'm doing. We're going to be using that method for this. And like I said, if it's not one thing, it's another. I did notice that I don't have the lemon up in here, but we're going to use that lemon. But let me just go ahead and go over the ingredients. We're using 5 pounds of bananas. We are using 1 pound of white sugar, 1 pound of dark brown sugar. We are using black tea for our tannin. Lalvin being 4x4 yeast for the yeast. And like I said, the lemon is going to be for our lemon juice, and we're going to use about either 1/4 wedge of a lemon or about 1/2 ounce of lemon juice for our acid. And we have our 1 gallon of water back here, along with our usual suspects for equipment. Some that's not on camera right now, like the pot. But like I said, guys, we're going to keep this one real short and simple. So let me go ahead and get to this process. Alright guys, sorry about the magic. I did my little snap and realized mid-snap that I didn't tell you about the bananas. Just a quick little note. Guys, you want your bananas to be like this. Help with the sugars. When it's like this, you get a lot of more sugars out your bananas. They're not green. So I just wanted to bring that up right quick, that this is what kind of bananas you're looking for. Even if they're darker, about to turn completely brown, that's perfect. Okay, we'll be right back. All right, guys, so we went ahead and strained our must, juice, tea, whatever you want to say, into the pitcher right here. And I am getting this gravity reading, and I don't know if you can see, I'm not sure, right there, but we are at 1.080. So we have a nice little ABV on our wine. And guys, like I said, we allowed this to cool so we can pitch this yeast. And with a lot of these wines, like I said, if you can only smell this smells like a banana juice with a little brown sugar. So it kind of give you like a little, if you ever had Bananas Foster down here up in Louisiana, New Orleans, whatever you want to say, man, I can't describe it, but you have to try it if you ever come to the city.
Yeah, boy.
But anyway, let's get the rest of this done.